Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss the single answer for the third module lesson on the rule of the road for the current second year batch TS second year batch first year lesson, third lesson on the rule of the road by A.G. Gardiner. This is the third prose lesson. Alfred George Gardiner is the essayist. So he was a famous British journalist and essayist. He wrote many articles under the pseudonym of Alpha of the Plough. Pseudonym means another name, his pen name. His pen name. So this lesson is a very short but interesting discussion on liberty. So he says that the author says that our rights and responsibilities must go together. They should go hand in hand, but we are very much worried about our rights, but we don't think about our responsibilities. So before asking about our rights, first of all we should know about our responsibilities. And here on the rule of the road, some traffic rules, the author is discussing some interesting traffic rules, and he is giving some examples from the London city also. He is quoting, he has quoted two examples from London city at Petrograd. So one stout old lady, she was walking in the middle of the road with a basket on her head. She says that she has full liberty. So we have got freedom, we have got independence. So my wish. Okay, so I can go anywhere, I can use any part of the road. That's not correct. So another example from Piccadilly Circus. It is a busy junction, traffic junction in London City. Piccadilly Circus, that is the place, busy place, one of the busiest areas of London. There also one person, so motorist, so he parked his car in a wrong place. When the policeman comes and he wants to impose some penalty, he fights with the motorist, fights with, he argues with the policeman. Okay, so the author says that this is not correct. This is not correct. And liberty and social responsibility, there should be a balance between these two. And he says that liberty is not a personal affair but the accommodation and tolerance of the interest of others. So personal liberty has to be sacrificed for the smooth and safe functioning of society. In some areas we have full liberty, we can eat whatever we want, okay, veg or non-veg in our house. Okay, so our liberty is confined to, so we have our own domain. So in our house we can do anything, but here also in our house also there are some restrictions. I can't play the music loudly, that will be disturbing to our neighbor, he may file a nuisance case also. Okay, so everyone must know about the limitations. So liberty has some limitations, we must be aware of these limitations. Okay, when A.G. Gardner wrote this essay, many countries became independent, many nations became independent, but people misunderstood the meaning of the word independence. They feel that we have full independence, full liberty, we can do anything. That's not correct. Okay, we should take care of others. We should take care of others. So if we don't follow traffic rules, accidents accidents would greatly increase. Social order is possible only if we curtail our limit our individual liberty. Freedom without responsibility leads to anarchy, disorder, chaos. Our enjoyment of liberty should not cause inconvenience to others. So, a traffic policeman should not be considered a nuisance. He is our friend. He works hard for our safety. He is very much worried about our safety. That's why don't argue with the policeman. Don't quarrel with him. He is your friend. He is your well wisher. His services are necessary for the safety of civilians on roads. Okay, so very interesting essay. Here we have four annotations. Liberty is not a personal affair only but a social contract. Individual liberty would have become social anarchy. In all these and a thousand other details, you and I please ourselves and ask no one's leave. We are all liable to forget this, and unfortunately, we are much more conscious of the imperfections of others in this respect than of our own. Now, we have four questions also. So, describe the incident about the stout lady who walked down the middle of a street. What do we learn from it? Next question, explain with examples what the rule of the road means. Third one, liberty is an accommodation of interest. Elaborate with examples from the essay. Fourth one is, the last one is, we have a whole kingdom in which we rule alone. Mention the areas in which we can rule alone without curtailing the liberty of others. So, for all these questions and annotations, we have a single answer. Now, I introduce a single answer. So, this is the single answer for all annotations and for all paragraph questions. Only side headings differ. Side headings are different here. First, annotations. Single answer for all annotations. Introduction. The above given lines are taken from the lesson on the rule of the road written by A.G. Gardiner. He was a famous British essayist and journalist. His essays are elegant, humorous, and of human interest. Okay, they are very interesting. Context. The lesson is a short but interesting discussion on liberty. The author defines and explains the distinction between individual liberty and social liberty. Now, the third part, most important part, explanation part. The essay begins with a stout old lady who was walking with her basket down the middle of a street. She said that she had liberty to do so. The author feels that our freedom and liberty should not lead to social anarchy. We have freedom in our private affairs, but when it comes to social life, we should take care of others' needs also. Okay, so this is the single answer for all the annotations. Now, for the paragraph questions, same answer. So, without side headings, also we can write same answer, but without side headings. Okay, single answer for all paragraph questions. Now you can take the screenshot of this single answer also. Okay, so very easy lesson, very interesting lesson, but don't write on your own, don't give your own examples. So traffic rules means general traffic rules we should not write. Please quote the examples from your lesson only. Please stick to the writer's style. Okay, please read the lesson once if you have enough time. So every lesson, once you go through the lesson, okay, that is very very important. Okay friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. We meet again very soon with the single answers for the next question, maybe climate change, that is the next poem. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and comment, subscribe to my channel without fail. I request all of you to share my videos with your friends and tell them to subscribe also. Please support me, please support my channel. Okay, see you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.